This is the best priced move-in ready home with an attached double garage in the entire city of Calgary. That is not all. Whether you're looking for a large family home or that perfect investment property, look no further. We have high ceilings, the skylight allows a lot of natural light, a gorgeous living room, dining room combo adjacent to the kitchen area here with some new appliances, access to the double garage. There's a wheelchair lift in there as well. Now, upstairs has 3 very good sized bedrooms. Including a large master suite with a 3-piece ensuite, which is quite rare in this community. Now this backs on to your beautiful backyard, no neighbors behind you, private balcony. Now the lower level, totally finished with some beautiful woodwork, a gas fireplace, another 4th large bedroom, great size windows, and of course a full bathroom. Now you'll notice this has a separate entrance as well, which makes suiting this home very easy. The lower level is undeveloped here, waiting for your creation, a great extra space, or could be more bedrooms, or even a kitchen, as well as a cold room. So if you're looking for an awesome family home, perhaps the best deal in the city, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.